Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I will show you how to use Claude AI for competitive market analysis. Okay guys, so to get elite analysis, you must bypass generic prompts and feed Claude raw, unsanitized data fields. So I will give you a prompt, which will be very effective, and you can then copy the text from your top 3 competitors' landing pages, value propositions, and pricing models. Then scrape their top 50 1-star and 2-star user reviews from platforms like G2, Trustpilot, or the App Store and save them into a single text document. Then you can just use this prompt right here that I will use, as you can see. So with your data anchored, you can execute this highly structured framework prompt to extract your actionable angle. Do not ask for basic SWOT analysis. Instead, just copy and paste this command block, just like I said, this one. And Claude will instantly output an aggressive data-backed matrix pinpointing exactly where your competitors are dropping the ball, giving you an immediate roadmap for your next marketing campaign or product feature updates. So this is how you analyze your business strategy, guys. Enjoy, don't forget about this prompt. And as always, like and subscribe.